again at the high fence today. We have some really nice conditions, some mist, the sun is coming out. I wanted to stay a little bit down in the valley, but there was no fog. And I looked on the webcam, they have a webcam here in the weather station. There was some fog here, so I decided to come here. Normally I don't ever come to this part of the high fence in the summer. I usually stay in the forests, but because of the fog, I came up here. These forests I took a picture of in the winter. Now they're really different with all the leaves and stuff. It has some Scandinavian vibes here. We went to Norway 2 years ago, or last year, and it really feels like Norway in here. But let's go to shooting because the weather is really too nice just to be yapping to you guys. So let's take some really nice shots today. So normally I'm not the one to take these abstract images, but we have these, I don't know, it's like, it looks like cotton, but I know it's not cotton. And I really like the visuals of it. It's like cotton candy balls, cotton balls coming from plants out of a little pool. So yeah, I think I will play around with this as well. Although this is normally not what I really shoot. I put the polarizer on just to get the glare from the pool. It's reflecting too much. I want maybe some, you can reflect a little bit, but not like a mirror, in my opinion. So yeah, we'll play around with it. I will try to find an image in here. I think there will be, but like I said before, I'm not really an abstract image kind of guy, so it will be difficult for me to find something, but I will give it a go. So if I made a shot, here it is. So I kind of took another position, if you can tell. Put the tripod up full erect. It's really not that stable, but because I really like looking down on this image. What I'm noticing as well, that I need to zoom out a little bit just to get the tree trunk on this side in it. I also tried to put the back tree between the clusters of trees in the front, so it's a little bit more balanced. I quite like the image. Maybe it's like, yeah, it's difficult because on the right side there's also this tree creeping in. I don't really want that tree in, so even though the right tree is really close to the edge, I can't really zoom out much more because the other tree will begin creeping in, and then it will be an endless cycle of zooming out. I really don't want that. So I think this will be the image. I really don't like the dead tree in the front. A few years ago they did some maintenance work here and they just leave the trees because that's nature. The nature has to pick up the trees in the soil again and it will become fertilizer. But in this case, they should just have cleaned it up just for me, but they didn't. So this will be the image. I think it's a little bit more of a stronger composition than the last video where I said this will be kind of the image. So yeah, here's the shot. So lately I haven't been on YouTube or even Instagram that much anymore. I had a few weekends that I couldn't go out to the forest or nature at all. I had a christening I had to take pictures at. I had the Holy Communion where I have to take pictures at. So the woodland stuff got a little bit on the back burner. I also decided a few things, business-wise then, is that I want to really, now I have one website. Uh, it's tristanjacobs.com, but I really want to separate the portrait stuff from the nature stuff. And I think the nature stuff has to become more of a hobby. I always thought that I would be a world-renowned landscape photographer, but there's not a lot of money to be made. If I'm really honest, you can do some workshops, and there are a few people in Belgium that can live from it. But this moment, I think just enjoy being out, do some workshops. I really like to teach. It's my job as well during the day. So taking images of people or other businesses is the way to go for making some extra cash. But yeah, that means that there's even more, even little, more little, littler time for landscape photography. So maybe then I will enjoy the moments that I can get out even more. Also, with a kid, it's not that easy to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Uh, I've noticed maybe when he's a little bit older, and it will be a bit easier. But now my wife has to take care of him alone, uh, and I kind of feel guilty about it. I don't know how to say it, but not every free moment should be photography. Um, I've come to a nice next location with a tree there. There's also like a stone that I don't know why they put it there, but I think it's like a cornerstone to say like the new city starts here or something. I don't know. Maybe I will look it up and put the information here. But yeah, I might I might edit it out because it throws the balance of the image a little bit off. But in foreground, I have again a little pool of water. It's like a creek or something, and then again those cotton balls on sticks that are catching some wind now. I don't really like that. And then we have a birch in the back with a small birch next to it. Another tree I don't really care about either, but it will be in the image. It will be a vertical composition. Normally I only take horizontal images, but this one will be vertical. And I have friends, you can see it now. So I will set up the shot and then walk you through it. So first I was planning to go to the little river with waterfalls, but that kind of fell through because they had got some logs and made some tracks with the bulldozer, and it wasn't really possible to get to the place I wanted to be without getting my knees dirty. It would be knee deep the mud. So yeah, I came to another location a little bit like 10 kilometers away just to do some scouting because as you can see the sun is quite harsh at the moment, but still found one composition here. I think it might work if I bracket it and I do some magic, maybe put it in black and white. But I really like that the trees behind me there create these shadows on the ground with the sun. And now I see that the clouds are coming over the sun, so the light will be a little bit subdued. So I think it might work. There are 4 trees. I tried to put them all in between each other, so it creates a lot of depth. And with the light and the contrast between light and dark, I really think it might turn out pretty good. Um, I will show you on the back of the camera and walk you through the composition. We have some really harsh highlights and some really dark shadows. So I will take a picture a little bit darker like this for the top of the image, and then for the trees in front I will make it a lot lighter, so the definition of those tree trunks can come through too. So for real this time, here's the shot. So what I did last time, really the last time, I took some steps forward and it totally changes the image for me. The trees here on the left are separated. I still can separate the trees in the middle. I even am able to cut out the low-hanging branch that was here a little bit more. So this will be it. This will be the image. I will take it and now really will show you. So here's the shot. I think I will end it here for today because the sun is coming out more and more. It's already 4 hours past sunrise. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoy the shots I took. I quite did because I put a little more effort in them today than I usually do. Thought a little bit more about the compositions. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up at the bottom. Subscribe, hit the bell thingy. Hopefully it doesn't get flipped now. And I hope to see you next time. Hopefully with a little bit less time between videos. But that's life. See you.